Yo guys, welcome back to another brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own Fortnite wallpaper for free. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own Fortnite wallpaper, and the required apps is on the screen right now. You're going to want to need PixArt, Fonto, and Google. So first thing you need to do is go into Google. Reason why you need to go into Google is because you're gonna wanna need to search up a Fortnite background. So search up Fortnite background HD. You go to images. Now there will be a ton of backgrounds which you can use. You can use any background. I've got a background for myself already, so it shouldn't be a problem. But choose any background that you like the most, and you can go on for that. Next thing you want to need to search up is you're going to need to search up a thumbnail effect spiral. Now I've already got the image, but there's so many spirals. You can choose any spiral that you want, but it's gotta be similar to the one that I'm going to be using. Like it's not supposed to be like purple or anything. So you can choose this one or any one. I've already got my image, so you can just choose any spiral that you want, but I would recommend using this spiral right here. Next thing you want to need to search up is you're gonna want to need to search up speed lines. Oops. Yeah, you're gonna need to search up speed lines. Now there's a ton of speed lines, but you're gonna want to look up for the one that I'm going to be looking for. So you go to images, and then this one here, which is like a 31-second video. That's good. If you do not find it, you're just gonna need to search up effect speed lines overlay MP4 and PCF download. So you're just gonna need to hold on the image and you say download image. I've got the image already downloaded, so for you need to download it. So the next thing you want to need to search up is you're going to want to need to search up a Fortnite skin. You can use any skin you want. For this video I'm going to be searching up the art Fortnite skin, and that's you gotta say PNG with this as well. So I'm just go with this one right here. And then I've got it downloaded already. I've got a lot of stuff downloaded for the video, but just in case I'm going to download the video again. Download the image, sorry. So you've got your background ready, you've got your skin ready now, and you've got your other stuff ready. Now you're gonna need to go into PixArt. So now what you're going to need to do is you're going to want to click on this little plus sign at the bottom, and then you're going to want to choose your background that you chose. I'll just go with maybe this one right here. Over here. Now you're gonna want to click on tools, you click on crop, and then you're gonna want to scroll all the way to Instagram story, the one that's in the middle right now. You want to click on that and then click save. Next thing you want to do is you're gonna want to need to click on effects, and you're gonna want to scroll all the way to colors, and you're gonna say colorize. You're gonna want to click on colorize, click on it again, and since my skin is like white and yellow, I'm gonna just choose yellow. So it depends on what your skin color is. If your skin color is maybe red, and you're gonna choose like a red background, and then now you're gonna want to click on effects again. You're gonna scroll all the way back to effects, and then you're gonna want to scroll through all these effects, and you want to click on drama and click save. Now next thing you want to need to do is you're gonna want to go to add photo, and then you're gonna want to choose your spiral that you chose. Just pinch in a little bit and then tilt it like standing up, and then do that like bring it out a little bit more. And then you're gonna turn the opacity down all the way to 5, and then click save. Then you want to add photo again, and then the speed lines that you chose, or the speed lines that you were supposed to choose, you're just gonna want to pinch in a little bit again, and then tilt it, and then enlarge it. And now you're gonna want to go to blend, scroll all the way to blend, and then you want to scroll all the way to lighten, and the image should look like this, and then you click save. Now you're gonna add your circle. So what you're gonna need to search up is you're gonna need to search up white circle. You can search up white circle, or you can search up white circle frame. I should say that you should search up white circle frame, because it's way easier to find the circle that I'm going to be looking for. So the circle by 4ASNO4I, this one I'm holding on the right hand side, you can choose that one, or you can choose any other one, but I require the one I just chose right now. So just pinch in and then enlarge the circle. You can enlarge it if you want to, but at least make the circle a little bit big to like at least show that something is there. And you can click apply. Now you're gonna add your skin, so click on add photo, and then click on the skin that you want to add, and then just pinch in a little bit of the image, and then it should look like this. Boom. And then you're gonna want to click, maybe remember actually to get it into the middle, so at least the main parts of the skin is in, or like the middle of the skin is in, and you click save. And now you are done with PixArt. So you just want to click the arrow on top there, on the right hand top, and then click save, and then click save again. Now you are done with PixArt. Next thing you want to need to go and do is you're gonna want to go into Fonto. So you're gonna need Fonto, and you click on load new image from device. You go to recent, and then you're gonna want to choose the photo that you just made. So you want to click on this little pencil here right on top, click on it, and you can choose any name you want. It's your opinion. I'm just gonna go with name for the video. The font I'm using right now for the video is that I am using Luckiest Guy, this one right here. And you click on done. Next thing you want to need to do is click on style. So you click on text color, and you click on stroke. You're gonna turn alpha all the way up, and then width on 2 or 1. I require 2 for now, and then click on done. And then you're gonna want to click on text color again, and you click on shadow, and then you're gonna get alpha all the way to like literally all the way up. Then you click on style again, and you go to gray color pattern at the bottom, and you're gonna go from white. You're gonna like make this whole thing white, and then you're gonna click character by character, and you say gradient down, and then click on done, and then click on done again. Now you're just gonna wanna like enlarge it, get it to the middle, but forgot, sorry, click on styles and then go to curving. Now get the angle to 0.10, and then click on done. And then you're just gonna center it, maybe make the size a little bit smaller so it can fit in, and then move it to the center, and then it should look like this. And then you want to click on the little save button on top right next to the pencil, and then it should be saved successfully. As you can see right now, I'm going to show you, and then boom, that's basically your wallpaper. So I hope this video was really helpful. If it was, make sure you please do comment on the video at the bottom saying that it was really helpful, and you do like on the video as well. Make sure you please do subscribe to my channel as well, and do turn on post notifications to not miss any videos that I do post in the future. Like I said, hope if the video was helpful, like and comment. The video was inspired by Navo. He is a Fortnite YouTuber. You can check out his channel, link is in the description below, or it will be in the card suggestion right on top. And yeah, I'll thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.